Hello everyone, I'm Ken Sullivan. I'm your distinctive carpet rep. I'd like to take a moment to introduce you to my kids, Jack and Kate. Hey Jack and Kate, would you come on over here?
Dad, please don't make
Dad,
us do that.
God, I really don't want to do
I
this,
think
Dad.
we're just gonna hang out with our friends right now.
We're just gonna go.
Sorry.
Hi, I'm Ken Sullivan. I'm your distinctive carpet rep. I wanted to introduce you to my kids, Kate and Jack. Say hi, kids. We wanted to reach out to each of you to show you a tutorial on distinctive carpet on how to use their website to create your own rug. Follow along.
Before we officially begin, please make sure you have your distinctive account number and password readily available. If you do not have an account number, please contact Ken Sullivan through email at info@heimbergergroup.com. Once you have your information handy, from your homepage, go to the search bar and type in www.distinctivecarpets.com. Once the page fully loads, in the top right-hand corner of the screen, you will click Login. This is where you will type in your information to include your account number and password. Once logged in, it will take you to the home page. Looking at the tabs across the top bar, you will originally want to click on Create a Rug. However, before you do that, you want to make sure you know a couple of key pieces of information. You will want to know field design and color, and you may also need to know binding if necessary. If you do not already have that information or have not looked through the catalog, you can click on the Carpet tab and go to All Carpets, or Borders and Bindings tab if necessary. For this tutorial, I'm going to click on Carpets and then go to All Carpets, but feel free to look around. Again, for this tutorial, I'm going to choose the first rug. You will need to know your field design and color. For this tutorial, Accents Corolla is going to be my field design in the color of Sand Dollar. However, if you would like to choose a different color, you can scroll down to the bottom and choose from the bottom selection. Once I know my field design, color, and binding, I can then go to the Create a Rug tab. Once this tab loads, you will go through each step. For step 1, you're going to select your field design. Using the drop-down box, I'm going to choose my field design, which was Accents Corolla. It will then bring up another drop-down box in which I can choose my color. For this tutorial, I wanted it in Sand Dollar. After I've chosen my field design and color, I can scroll up to the top and make sure that the picture matches what I was wanting. If it is correct, you can scroll down to the bottom and hit the next button. For step 2, you're going to select your size and shape. Using the first drop-down box, I'm going to choose my rug shape, in which it provides me 2 options, rectangular and round. Please note that rectangular also includes square. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose rectangular. It then opens the ability for me to choose a size. Using the drop-down box, you will see it provides a list of different sizes that you can choose from. However, if you would like to make a custom size, this is also an option by choosing Enter Custom Size. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose to enter my custom size. It then will give me the option to fill in the width and length. For this, I'm going to put 12 feet, 0 inches for width, 15 feet, 0 inches for length. Once I have filled everything out, I can then review my options, make sure it is correct, and then hit this next button. For step 3, you're going to select a finish. Please know that serging is always selected as on as a default. However, if you do not want it to be serged, you can always turn it off by clicking the button. However, make sure that if you turn serging off, you need to choose your binding. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose binding accents, the first one, in which case it will open a next drop-down box where I need to choose my binding color. I'm going to choose black pearl for this tutorial. Ken Sullivan suggests that if you are going with an inside rug, to always include the rug pad. However, if the rug is for outside, it is not necessary. So in this case, because it is an outdoor rug, I'm going to turn this selection off. Once I have verified that all of my settings are correct, I'm going to hit the next button. Step 4 is going to be customer details. This is where you will fill in all your information. Requested by is going to be your name, your email, PO number, contact phone number, and your ship to address. If you have any special instructions that you would like to put, please include them in this box below. Once I have made sure that all of my info is correct, I will then hit the next button. Step 5 is going to be review and submit. Here I'm going to make sure that everything is correct at the top and making sure that it is everything I want. And then at the bottom you can see it has given you an estimated subtotal quote for your customized rug. This quote does not include pattern match allowances, labor, sales tax, or freight. But the two above options allow you to include a freight quote or include scraps if possible. All you have to do is click the button to turn them on. Once you are done and you've made sure everything is correct, you can then hit the Submit Rug Quote button. It will be reviewed by Distinctive Carpets and they will reach out to you within 24 hours except for holidays and weekends. They will reach out if an adjustment to lower the quote is possible, otherwise a final quote will be emailed to you. If you have any questions following this tutorial, please contact Ken Sullivan at info@heimbergergroup.com.